Have you ever wanted to speak English but stayed silent because of fear? So, hi, this is Harshita, and this is day 5 of Speaking English series. And I am really happy that I am consistent till 5 days, and actually, I have to complete 30 days, but this is the biggest achievement that I've got. And yes, congratulations to you. I hope you have improved something. I have also improved. And in today's video, I will be talking to you. I will be sharing my biggest fear while speaking English. When I was a child, I used to speak Hindi a lot because my mother tongue is Hindi. My regional language is another one. Since I'm from Jharkhand, my regional language is Jharkhandi, or it is Khota, or you can say that is Santhali. That is the language, okay? But the mother tongue of the mother tongue, I mean, my mother tongue is in Hindi only because my parents taught me only Hindi. I used to speak Hindi a lot, but by the time, by the time I learned that English is important, how important is that, and does, what role this language play in our life, everything. And now I am speaking confidently, but not correctly at all. I'm not saying that I'm speaking correctly, but I'm trying to speak correctly. I'm trying to, talk with people in a confidence way. In a confident way, because the person who is not confident or who has lack of confidence, they may not be able to speak. They may not be able to speak in front of any people. So in today's video, I'll be talking about my biggest fear while speaking English, and I'll be telling you how I improved it, how I, removed from my mind that this will not work until you will not start. So yes, let's go and let's just talk about it. Let's go further in the video. Before going further, why I am just okay. Before going further, I just want to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you will get the notification first. And with that, let's start the video. So I was the person who actually did not want to speak in front of any people because I was introvert. I was neither introvert nor extrovert, but I was the person who loved to speak English because I was fascinated with a teacher who spoke very well, who used to spoke very well that time. And that time I thought to speak, but since the year that year was so much good for me actually. That time new vloggers were coming and they were talking to cameras, so from that I was influenced by it, and I picked up a phone or I in front of my mirror I used to talk to myself in English in a broken way. I used to that, but that time I had a fear of judgment which killed me a lot that time. But by the time I learned a lot of things, by the time I improved myself, by the time I removed a lot of thinking from my brain that if a person is judgmental, then you cannot do anything. He has that habit of judgment. He will judge in any case, in any time. But that time I removed that thinking that if somebody will judge me, then go for it. Just let it go and start speaking, start doing work what you want to do, because if you will not do today, you will be not able to you will not get success in future, obviously. Plus, my grammar was actually good. Speaking English does not mean that you have a good knowledge of grammar. You should have confidence. You should have, you should have speaking skills. You should have, writing skills at the same time. Because whatever you are writing, that writing thing is given in your mind, has given in your mind, and you are able to that time you are able to think that what should I speak now. Right now I have not made any of the script for this video, because I'm not making it. I just want to be very natural with this video, and I just want that whoever is watching me, they are also natural. They also want to speak fluently. I'm not fluent at all, but I'm actually not influent at all. If I'm mistaking, I'll definitely correct it. But yes, fluency comes from practice. And when you will practice, practice, and practice, you will get to know about everything. My biggest fear was like when I used to when I used to see a teacher going to a class. I was, with my friends, I used to be silent. If somebody, actually, that time, if somebody used to tell me that you should speak in English, that time my mouth got shut down. But it is not an important thing. The important thing is that you have started. And I studied English in schools. I studied in schools. I studied English in schools for years and years, but never ever learned. Actually, I've never ever learned to speak. Definitely never ever. That time I had zero confidence. And that time I could read, I could write chapters, I could read, I could write, notes. I could answer questions. I could understand, videos, whatever. And that time I could understand, speak, whatever the teacher told us in English, but never ever got the confidence to speak in front of them. Whenever they asked me the question, I used to be like very nervous. I don't know what was the problem that time, but yes, I used to be. And uh, something I'll tell you, very important thing, that I used to compare myself with people who used to speak very fluently in a very good manner. But since I was a person who was just very introvert, never, got the confidence actually. But because of comparison, I avoided speaking. But that was my mistake. And if that time I was able to speak out, this time I would be able to speak English in a good manner, not like this. Ooh, ooh, ee. I actually speak English, but in just stuck manner. I got stuck in some phase, in some phases. And that time I was actually afraid of, from laughing, that people will laugh if I'll speak wrong English. I'll tell you one thing, actually a reality. I'll tell you that if let me sit properly. Yes, if a person has come from, foreign, and he or she tries to speak Hindi, people say that, wow, how cutely he is saying English, Hindi. But when it comes to English in India, when we start speaking English, what they say, that they start judging us. Huh, they don't know speak English. He or she does not speak English in a good manner. In She does not know English. She does not speak in a good way. That time people gets nervous. Obviously, if you will judge them, if you will judge her or him, it is the matter of discontinuation. I mean, whenever somebody starts, they encourage. We have to encourage them. They themselves encourage to speak out, right? So yes, we should definitely tries to. And a lot of people say me that you spoke English wrong, incorrect, but you are confident. How does it come to you? You have the fear of judgment? Don't you have the fear of laughing? That time I said them that no, not at all. If I am afraid of something, if I have fear, then how will I grow? If I will think about judgment or laughing, how will I grow? How will I grow in any field? Let them judge, let them laugh. I always say. Yes. So let's go further with my, speaking. So what changed in me? Because of judgment, because of fear and everything, I realized something. One day I realized something, that fluent speakers were not born fluent. Definitely. Fluent speakers were not born fluent. He or she has also practiced a lot, or like us, since our our Hindi is very good, he or she has the mother tongue, that is English. They also started as beginners, obviously. The difference is that they kept speaking while I kept, worrying or, not speaking. So that's why I just want this series for you people, for myself, so that we can improve together, we can grow together. And that's why I started this English series, because many people, get very nervous while speaking, but I'm not nervous at all. If I'm speaking wrong, I'm accepting that I have not that habit of speaking English or speaking. Yeah, I'm a talkative girl for sure, because my mom, in school I was very introvert and I was not speaking to people. I used to be like silent. But by the time I adjusted there, and with that I got the confidence, a lot of thing I changed in myself. And one of my friends, she is like extrovert, and she taught me that if you will not start now, you will regret in future. Just start now and start speaking. Whatever you want to do, you want to speak, you want to learn something, there is no limit of speaking or learning something. Absolutely not. If someone says that you are 68 years old, you are 35 years old, how will this language will help you? How will this language help you? Just go with the flow. Do not listen them. Try to, learn. Age is just a number. Age is just a number. And for those who think that I am 48 years old, is it good? Bhai, bro, listen to me carefully. If you are 68 or 48 years old, who said to you that you could not speak, you could not learn anything? No one said to you. You have, manipulated your mind that you will be not able to do that. But try to speak, try to learn everything, whatever you are in the age. If I'm giving you an example that a person is retired from, army, but he had the, yearning. Do you know yearning? They they used to yawn about that I was unable to, do this thing. Like he wanted to play cricket, but that time because of the family pressure, he had to join the army. After retirement, he started playing cricket, and he is fit now. He is as fit as the person in gym. We are not fit at all. We only sit here and we just, you know, waste our time in phone and everything. Just get out from your house, and try to learn things. Yes, the moral of the video is, do not get, you know, don't be fear of anything. If you want to do something, just go for it. My biggest fear was speaking English in front of others. Today, I am speaking English in front of camera and uploading it to the internet. It is going, it is not going viral, but it is spreading. If somebody sees my video or watches my video, they will get to know about me, that how am I speaking and everything. So since I'm still learning, but I'm no longer letting fear decide what I can do. I'm not letting it. I'm no longer letting fear decide what can I do. Not at all. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope this will help you, and I hope this video helped you throughout this speaking skills. Look, I really wanted that to make this video. I really wanted to make this video. Like, I used to be a scared girl, afraid girl. But I'm no longer afraid of speaking English in front of any person. I am now confident, and you can see me how I have improved it. If this video helped you, please subscribe to my channel, and congratulations that you have got you have started something. And by the end of this series, I know every people will be able to speak with confidence. And please subscribe kar lena. Hindi to I am just speaking at the last, but it's okay. Tomorrow tomorrow I'll make a different kind of video. I'll try my best to vlog tomorrow in English only. Yeah, so yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you. And thank you so much for loving this video. And let me just give you this shout out. I actually not have given you. Somebody in day one, somebody commented that really I satisfied your presentation. Whatever he or she wanted to speak, I understood. mh@m.h.k05, and I'll definitely. And one more, Dada Kuladi, who has given me heart, and this heart I'm giving you as well. So yeah, thank you so much for commenting on my video. I love to read comments, but no one comments on my videos. But later on, it is a slow process. So yeah, I know people will love me for that. Yes. And here is 159 subscribers only. Please make it 200 in 2 to 3 days. Please, please. I really want this one. So yeah. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you. Bye bye.